We have with us today Dr. Ajay Swaroop, who's a representative from Sir Gangaram Hospital. Sir Gangaram Hospital in New Delhi is a leader in medical research with 310 projects undertaken and 46 published, including 1250 in indexed journals in the last 5 years. Their research spans oncology, neuroscience, regenerative medicine, and more, with significant impact such as biomarkers for cancer treatment and genetic disorder surveillance. The hospital's cutting-edge facilities and interdisciplinary approach position it as a premier research institution driving achievements in advancements in clinical practice and contributing to global medical science. So congratulations on being a recipient of the research award, sir, and thank you for being a part of this research summit.
Well, thank you very much. It's a very pleasant surprise because in this country, so far, medical research has not received enough recognition. But now, with this award and similar other efforts, I'm sure it'll give a boost. As far as Gangaram Hospital is concerned, actually, it should have been Professor Ganguly, who is the head of the research department, who should have been interviewed or who should be receiving the award. But unfortunately, he had to go for a meeting to Coimbatore. So I, as chairman of the hospital, am going to accept the award on his behalf. But I can say only one thing, that at Gangaram Hospital, apart from giving ethical, top-class medical care, we genuinely invest in research and teaching. We have one of the largest DNB programs in a private setup. Our research department is competing with the likes of All India Institute of Medical Sciences and PGI as far as publications, etc. go. And we genuinely feel that whatever the management is investing in research is going to give us tenfold return. If not today, maybe after 5 years, maybe after 10 years. But that's how research goes.
Definitely, sir. We wish Gangaram goes a long way in medical research, and we definitely know it's a pioneer research institution in India. So definitely we wish you all the luck and it goes a long way.
Thank you very much.